All right, here I have a 24 MDX, and then to get to the cam filter, you're gonna open your glove box, and then you're gonna take this little piece of string off, like that, off of this nub, and then you're gonna press in on the glove box on both of these sides right here, and then you're gonna make sure you clear it, and then you're gonna push down on the glove box. So you see, you gotta push in on the sides, and then there's your cam filter, and then right here, you're just gonna push on the tabs, and then the door should just come off like that. And then pull out your air filter and then put in your new one. All right, and then when you put your glove box back on, you're gonna push it up just like that. And then to get to this string, it's kind of annoying, but I kind of use like a pick to grab it, and then to also set it back up into that little like nub, because it's kind of hard to do it with your fingers, because with my fingers I kind of have fat fingers. But yeah, I kind of use my left hand, and then on the right hand my pick, just to like guide that string over that. And here are some part numbers if you're gonna use the get your air filters. I usually use Rock Auto, but this is the OEM air filter from the dealer, so if you want to use that part number too. And to reset the air filter life, you're gonna come here to the radio, and you're gonna use that little trackpad there, and you're gonna slide to the side, go to settings right there, and you're gonna go down here to vehicle. I was having trouble with it. Click on that, and then go down to maintenance information, and then right there is your air filter reset. So you're gonna go down, click on air filter, and then go down to reset, click on reset, and I kind of missed it here, but it's gonna ask reset, and then you're just gonna click reset again. So here, as you can see at the bottom, it'll say reset. So you click on that, and then it'll bring up this page here. It'll say reset filters, and then you just press reset. I kind of use this screen because I didn't take a picture of it. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll try to help you out.